Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Ndenya.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, madam.
Welcome to our evening's class or afternoon's class. And today we shall be learning about computer software installation. Hope you have gone to your LMS and signed in. Make sure you have signed in our class so that your attendance will be recorded. So today we are going to learn about computer software installation, and we shall go through the introduction to computer software installation. So who can tell me the terms which are used in computer software installation?
We have application.
Yes, we have application. Another term? Yes, Abiodun.
So, hardware,
Yes, we have the hardware. Another term?
software, data,
Yes, the data. Another term? So for now, let us go through the terms that we have stated. We have the application, and this refers to software which is a set of instructions or code written in a program for executing a task or an operation in a computer. We have the software, and the software is a set of instructions which directs the hardware to accomplish a task. We also have the term computer, and computer is an advanced electronic device that takes raw data as input from the user and processes it under the control set of instructions, which are the program, and gives the result, which is the output, and it saves it for a future use. We also have data, which is the collection of raw facts and figures and symbols. So when the data is processed, we have information, which we can say information is the data that is processed and presented in an organized manner, which the user can understand. The last term we have is the program, and a program is a set of instructions that enables a computer to perform a given task. So let us move to the components that we have, the components of computer. Can you state the components of computer that we have? Yes, Edwin?
We have the input unit.
Yes, the input unit.
We also have the output unit.
Yes, the output unit. Another component? Yes, can you give me another component that we have in computer?
Okay, we also have the central processing unit.
Yes, the central processing unit. So let's get into describing or explaining the components of a computer. Let us start with the input unit. And in input unit, this unit contains devices with the help of which we enter data into computer. This unit makes link between user and computer. The input device translates the information into the form understandable by the computer. So some of these input units, we can have the keyboard, we can also have the mouse, we can have a scanner, a camera, or a microphone. So the keyboard is like a keying device, and it enables the user to key in data or information which can be stored in the computer. The mouse directs how one can control the movement of the cursor and also can read through documents or data that are stored in the computer. The scanner is an input device that can read text or illustrations printed on paper and translate into digital form. The main advantage of these scanners is that the data need not be entered separately, resulting in saving a lot of time. So the next term that you stated, it was central processing unit. And in central processing unit, it's considered as the brain of the computer. So the CPU performs all the types of data processing operations. It can store data, intermediate results, and instructions. It also controls the operation of all parts of the computer. So under the CPU, we can have three components, which are the arithmetic logic unit, the memory unit, and the control unit. Then we have the output unit. In the output unit, it consists of devices with the help of which we get the information from the computer. So this output unit can be a monitor or a printer. So what a monitor is the screen that shows what the user is maybe browsing or reading or trying to do with the computer. So our today's assignment will be, can you go and find out the uses of computers in our society? To sum up our today's lesson, can we state what we have learned or what we have understood in this class?
Teacher, to summarize on what we have done today, we have learned about the computer installation. We have defined what computer installation is, and then we have also learned about the computer hardware, whereby we have mentioned some of the components of a computer hardware, which includes the input devices. We have looked at some of the input devices like the scanner, the mouse. We have also looked at the central processing unit and some components of the central processing unit.
Thank you, Claire, for that. So let us meet in our next class. That will be next week, Wednesday, and have a good afternoon. Bye.
Thank you, teacher, and bye.